Now we'll start with the topic of difference between the top level, middle level and the bottom level of management. Now the difference can be divided into the different 8 points. So let's begin with the first point, and that is the point of management and the administration. Now generally in terms of management, we can say like that. Management means to think. Generally it is associated with the thinking, whereas the administration means to implement. In your textbook regarding management and administration, difference is not given, but you will remind it and you can write as a note also in your textbook or somewhere in your book. Once again, management means to think and the administration means to implement. Now let's move on to the top level, middle level and the bottom level. Now generally the top level management has the more proportion of the management and less proportion of the administration. So proportion of management is more and administration is less, as the top level management is more concerned with the thinking rather than implementing the various functions. Second one, middle level management, proportion of management is less and administration is more because they have to implement the orders given by the top level management. Third one is the bottom level. Bottom level proportion of management is too less, that is very less. They don't have to think that much, just like in case of top level management. And the administration is the maximum one. Reason, it's operative level, it's a functional level where the actual working is done. That's why the administration is the highest at the bottom level of management. Second one, that the point of inclusion, who are the persons that can be included at the top, middle and bottom level. As per our diagram and pyramid shape, we have understood like that. At the top level, first comes the CEO. Here it's not mentioned, but you can also write CEO, that's our Chief Executive Officer. Then after the Board of Directors, then comes the MD, that's for the Managing Director, and the GM stands for the General Manager. Second, that's the middle level management that consists of departmental officers and experts of the various fields like production, sales, marketing, finance, personnel, etc. And the bottom level consists of supervisor, jobber, then after workers. Worker also you can include, and the foreman is also there at the bottom level. So that's the second point of inclusion. Now third point is the authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility are two sides of a same coin. So at the top level, generally the proportion of authority will be more, so as the responsibility. So authority and responsibility both are same. It's same, but the proportion is highest at the top level management. Where in that case, middle level management comparatively less authority and responsibility is limited to the department only. Authority and responsibility both are prevalent, but they are limited in nature, only to the department. Whereas in case of bottom level management, again the proportion will reduce and it will be limited only to the sub-departments and the subdivisions only. So least authority, least meaning thereby minimum authority, and so as the responsibility limited to the subdivisions only. So that was the third point. Now fourth point, number of members. How many persons are present? How many people are working at the particular level of management? So at the top level of management, generally the managing director, CEO, such a kind of highest authority person or the persons having more authority are present. So numbers are less. So less number of member, or you can also write the people, but member is a more convenient and the suitable word. Whereas in case of middle level management, number of member will increase as compared to the top level, but it will be less again as compared to the bottom level. So compared to the top level, more number of members are present at the middle level, and the bottom level always have the highest number of members working, because actual working is to be done at that particular level of management. So compared to top and middle level, maximum number of members are present. Then the next point is the competence. Competence means qualification. which type of qualification or which type of skill one would require to work at a particular level. So at the top level, all-round development is required. That is, all kind of skills are required. At the middle level, specialized knowledge is required. So at whatever field, at whatever place you are working with your department, you must have the specialized knowledge regarding your function or the department. In case of bottom level management, requirement of knowledge for one's own department and sub-department is required. That much detailed knowledge or competence is not required at the bottom level. Then after, formation of objective and policy, how it is being framed, and the top level formulates the basic objective and policy of a company. So whatever the basic objective and policy of companies are there, they will be decided by the top level, which is the supreme or the highest authority. Whereas the middle level, generally they will not prepare the policy and objective of the company, they will implement a policy formulated by the top level management. And this is the same function with the bottom level also. This level implements the policy formulated by the top level management. So more or less you can say like that, middle and the bottom level has the same function. Then point number 7, that stands for the accountability, answerability. Accountability, you can say like that, it's answerability. They are answerable to whom? Now the top management is generally concerned with the overall working of the organization, and they are responsible for the whole organization. So their accountability arises towards various stakeholders. I am saying the word stakeholders, so listen it carefully, it's not a shareholder. Stakeholder meaning thereby all the parties who have interest to the business or who have the connected interest to the business included into the word of stakeholders. So top level management has the responsibility towards government, towards creditor, towards shareholder, towards supplier, customer, employee. Everyone can be included at the stakeholder level. So accountability, accountable towards government, creditors, shareholder, and legal provision also. They have to comply the legal provisions. Middle level, generally accountable to the top level. They have to give answer to the top level. So accountable towards the top level of management. At the bottom level, accountable to the middle level of management. So accountable towards the middle level of management. And the last point is the decision. Which type of decision that the various level of management generally takes. So more risky and comparatively more far-reaching to a large extent. Far-reaching meaning thereby which have the long-term impact. The decision taken by the top level management is risky in nature. Reason is if anything goes wrong, then the organization may destroy also. It have that kind of far-reaching or the long-term implication. So they are considered as a risky and far-reaching one. Whereas in case of middle level management, it's less risky and less far-reaching. Not that much risky as compared to the top level. And the last one, bottom, again, it is less risky. But we can say like that, it's a least risky. Least meaning thereby it's a minimum one. Risk is very less, so it's a least risky and far-reaching. So this is the point of difference between the top level, middle level, and the bottom level of management, right? So this can be asked as a 3-mark question. You can prepare it like it's mentioned at the board box system, or you can also prepare at the paragraph system. But for that you will mention the point just in case of first point, management and administration, and then after from the next line you can put up an arrow and have the point of top level. Then again next line you can write the point of middle level, and again the last line, that's for the bottom level management. So this is the more convenient method of writing a difference at the higher level or the 12th level, right? So when we meet for the next time, we'll discuss with the topic of various functions of the management.